Hello and welcome to the Mineable Rocks version 1 demonstration. Let's check it out. So inside of our Mineable Rocks project, you can see that we have the different ores that you can set, and we have a message here. You can adjust the ore colors to the metallicness, emissive values in the minerals table. We also have our rock meshes. We got like 5 of them, and so I included those for you. You can modify them, and you can also use your own as long as you set up the material correctly. So let's go over here. Let's test this out. When we mine with our pickaxe, you can tell that it's hitting, it plays a sound, fractures the rock. We can pick up the piece, which in that case automatically already landed on our character. There's a big chunk right there. Let's go grab it. Yeah, it's gonna be hard to hit this one. There we go. I'm wasting time showing all this. I might cut this part so it's faster. So yeah, you can press I for an inventory and it'll tell you how many resources you're carrying in the top left, just so you have that ready to be set up with your custom inventory system that you've probably already have or are going to have for your project. So now we're going to take a look at the minerals data table. Right now we have 6 examples for you to use. You can take a look in here and you see how they say gold. You have your color that you can set, and your amount you want to pick up per drop, and metallic molt, emissive molt, etc. You can create more and customize them for each one. You can see that they all have their own colors. Ideally, we probably want to change this alpha value to 0.6 for you guys real quick as an example. All right, so now we're going to move on to looking at the materials. So here's an example material. There's a material for each rock. We also have a master parent material that is the same for all of the rocks. You can see over in the top right that you can choose your normal maps, your like albedo and your roughness, etc. You can modify your ore colors. This is just for the default one. It doesn't actually affect the blueprint rocks, because those I'll show you real quick right now. Actually I'll show you in a little bit. So we have UV controls, which is nice. So if you want to offset the position, let me move this over here and I'll show you what's going on. So when you move the position, you can change this where it is and whatnot, and the tiling, you can reduce or increase the tiling. And you can tell that these rocks have different UVs, so the cut lines will be different, but you can use your own texture if you'd like. But I included one for you so it's nice and ready out of the box. All right, now let's take a look at the blueprint itself. So inside of the staged mineable rock blueprint, you can tell in a begin play, we get the resource type and set this so we can access it on the minerals data table. And then we create dynamic material instances. So you have like customizable in-game dynamic material instances that work with multiplayer and also work with your Niagara effect systems, so that the effect systems will also display the same color of mineral as your rock. Cool. Alright, so Mineable Rocks V1 comes multiplayer out of the box. You can see that you can hit the pickaxe, break the rocks, shows up on both. You can go grab fragments. I said grab fragments. Jeez, that was weird. And hit the inventory. You can tell that he's carrying 10 of that copper. Cool. Also, just to be sure, I'll show it on the server. Boom. Alright. Awesome. So yeah, that sums up the Mineable Rocks version 1 project. I hope that it will help you in your cool projects. It'll save you some time, maybe help you learn a couple of things, and you'll get going on your little survival or whatever type of mining base building project you got. You can find it on the Unreal Engine Marketplace. I got a Discord. You can add or join there, and I'll help you with any questions you have. I'll also be making a forum post and possibly some documentation. I believe we have some simple stuff set up, so that'll be linked in the description of the product on the asset marketplace. Thank you very much as always, and until I hear from you or see you or whatever, peace.